Now on 60-second booze reviews, Apothecary Mead Summerisle. So Summerisle is Apothecary Mead's answer to a Metheglyn. It's really interesting because it's not using your typical hard spices that you get with the Metheglyn. It's using lemon, bay and cardamom are kind of the main things. It's a really interesting local honey. So the meadery is based just north of Nottingham, kind of South Yorkshire area. It's a really small company, 2 people. They're working their absolute butts off to produce some of the best meads in the UK. At the moment, the branding is fantastic. The bottles are finished lovely. This is a great gift for a mead lover, somebody that knows their mead, or anybody that's into artwork, is into like really good artwork, graphic design, stuff like that. Again, the packaging on this is absolutely beautiful, down to the fine detail on everything these guys do is fantastic. As I said, this is their spiced version. It's kind of very floral, a real good gateway into spice things, but again, different to your kind of classic hard spice, Christmas spice kind of mulled meads that you get with most Metheglins. They're a really good, interesting option from Apothecary.